You might think that a business like AdventureWorks is a great place for data analysis. It has access to large amounts of data from a variety of sources like sales, manufacturing, purchasing, and marketing. However, that data, while valuable, is often not in a form that is easily understandable or ready for analysis. This is where the process of preparing and analyzing data comes in. In this video, you'll learn about the importance of processing and analyzing data for transforming raw data into valuable insights that can drive strategic decisions. You'll be introduced to the extract, transform, load or ETL process, a common method for processing data. You will also learn how using calculations and visualizations during analysis can help uncover hidden patterns and trends in the data. First, let's define what is meant by processing and analyzing data. Processing data refers to transforming raw data into a format that can be easily understood and analyzed. Analyzing data involves using various techniques to explore, interpret, and draw meaningful conclusions from the processed data. For AdventureWorks, processing data might involve consolidating data from multiple sources, such as sales transactions, customer demographics, and product inventory. This is because the data, in its raw form, may be scattered across different databases, spreadsheets, and even paper records. Additionally, the data may be in various formats, have missing values, or contain duplicate entries. In this case, processing the data would involve cleaning, organizing, and transforming the data into a format that is more suitable for analysis. A common data processing method is the extract, transform, load, or ETL process. The ETL process involves extracting data from various sources, such as databases or files, transforming the data to make it consistent, accurate, and ready for analysis, for example, by cleaning and filtering the data, and loading the transformed data to a suitable destination, like data repositories, databases, or analytical tools for further analysis. This process, which you will learn about in greater depth later, plays a crucial role in preparing raw data for analysis. Now that you have a general understanding of data processing, let's explore some methods of data analysis. One effective way to analyze data is by performing calculations on the processed data to reveal new insights. For example, AdventureWorks can calculate its product's total revenue, profit margin, or average order value. These calculations can help the company identify which products are performing well and which might need improvement. Another powerful technique for analyzing data is data visualization. Visualizations, or graphical representations of data, such as charts and graphs, can communicate complex information in a simpler way and help make complex data easier to understand. They can also help uncover patterns, trends, and relationships within the data that might not be apparent through calculations alone. For instance, AdventureWorks could create a bar chart to compare the total sales of different product categories, or a line chart to track monthly revenue over time. Visualizations like these can help the company quickly identify trends, spot potential issues, and make more informed decisions. In summary, processing and analyzing data is critical to transforming raw data into actionable insights. Through the ETL process, data can be extracted, transformed, and loaded into a format that is suitable for analysis. When the data is processed, calculations and visualizations can then be used to explore the data, uncover hidden patterns, and generate new insights to drive strategic decisions. As you progress in this course, you will learn more about the various tools and techniques available for processing and analyzing data. By mastering these skills, you will be better equipped to help businesses like AdventureWorks maximize the value of their data and make data-driven decisions that drive growth and success.